Welcome back, guys. Today I've got two interesting things I think are great for photographers. It just makes it really a lot easier when you're photographing a big event or a wedding. There's two different things I want to show you. One is made by Neewer. It's called a DP-LP-E6. And I know a lot of you see the microphones where you drop the microphone in and the case charges it. Well, it's the same thing with these batteries. This will hold two batteries. And once your case is charged, you can drop your batteries in there. They'll start charging. It'll also hold a few memory cards at the top. You just take that, put it in your pocket, and it's with you at all times. You don't have to go running from one end of the ceremony to God knows wherever you kept your equipment to go get it. It's in your pocket, so you don't have to go far. Memory card and batteries. This is similar, but it doesn't charge. But it will hold 6 batteries, and it holds memory cards up top. So it won't really fit in your pocket, but you can keep it closer to you. If you got a second shooter, you can have them hold on to it if you're doing something important and you need somebody beside you to hand you, memory card or batteries. It's just a great way to keep up with your batteries and your memory cards without having to run back to wherever all your equipment is. But this I really like, this Neewer case. I like the way it charges the batteries. I like the way you can put memory cards at the top. Because how many times have you been caught? Your batteries are about to go dead and the bride and groom is about to do something important and it's going to happen in about 30 seconds. You don't have time to run to wherever you're keeping your equipment to grab all your stuff. So you got it right in your pocket, right there ready to go. Open it up, grab them, put them in your camera. You need a memory card, grab it, you're ready to go. So you can get both these on Amazon. Like I said, this is the Neewer DP-LP-E6. They also make it for other batteries. And then this, I don't know what the name on this is. It says JJC on top. I don't know what the real name is, but I got it on Amazon. It was on sale for like 12 bucks. It'll hold 6 batteries and a good many memory cards. So, hey, we're just here to try and help you guys have an easier time while you're photographing your weddings. And I think both of these are a big help. So, hey, if we're helping you guys out, hit subscribe. Y'all have a good day.